V prejšnji oddaji smo spoznali novega Forda Focusa, ki v zadnji generaciji postavlja nove standarde, kar se tiče vozne dinamike, varnosti in udobja. No, danes bomo v tako imenovanem golfovem razredu spoznali sošolca Kio Ceed, ki je bila poznana po nizkocenovnih vstopnih modelih in seveda 7-letni garanciji, no tokrat pa se v novem šolskem letu loteva težkih predmetov varnosti, udobja in vozne dinamike po svoje, ne bo več prepisovala od sošolcev.
Pri Volkswagenu radi rečejo, da če bi se morali odločiti in v ponudbi imeti samo en model, bi bil to Golf. No, pri Kii bi bil to Ceed, najbolj evropska Kia. Ampak Golfa ne izpostavljamo kar po naključju.
Everyone has Golf in their minds, no? Golf is the market leader. It's the segment of Golf when people are not able to explain which car are we talking about. And it's a brand by itself, no? It's a brand that is, I would say, at the same level probably as the Volkswagen brand.
Seveda, želja je povsem jasna, torej biti na vrhu tam, kjer smo nekoč že bili, zato bi pa potrebovali prehiteti Astro, Megana in Golfa.
Ambiciozna želja je vsekakor precej realna. Tega se pri Kii dobro zavedajo, v širši poslovni perspektivi pa zadeve izgledajo tako.
Na evropskem trgu predstavlja C-razred, torej Ceedov razred, kar 22% prodaje, torej lahko rečemo vsak peti avto v Evropi je prodan v tem razredu.
A ta Golfov oziroma Ceedov segment je bil deležen korenitih sprememb.
The SUV trend keeps on growing. They are almost 50% of the C segment somehow, and we have seen these more emotional body types disappearing a little bit. We still believe there's a market for 5-door and wagons. The 5-door is becoming more sporty, is lower, is wider, so somehow you have more sportiness on the 5-door that we had in the 3-door, the Pro Ceed.
Športnost pa se ne kaže zgolj v obliki, ki seveda povzema elemente slovitega Stingerja. Še večji poudarek so v Nemčiji dali voznim lastnostim, na dolgi rok bodo te spremembe imele še posebej veliko težo.
We use a broader number of competitors. We had Audi, we had Focus, but one thing that we did different is really to set ourselves a target of comparing ourselves also against ourselves. And what we are aiming is that in the future, after we have done this in several cars, in 7 generations of products, that, you know, specialized press are able to drive and say, okay, this car drives like a Kia.
In the past, we were always fast follower, but to be different to others, you have to create your own character. We had a much faster steering gear, so the front axle response is much faster, but in the same time we had to improve and modify the rear axle as well, because the rear axle has to follow the front axle. If the front axle is quick and the rear axle is slow, you get what we call two-step response, yeah? And is not linear and not harmonic, so we had to modify also the rear axle. And in this case we especially modified what is called elastokinematics. Yeah? Elastokinematics describes how the wheel moves in this way under forces. And we changed from the originally roll steer, that means the car is rolling and then the rear wheel is moving like that, to a lateral compliance steer. That means as soon as you start cornering, there comes some lateral force to the wheel and this already turns in. And this is a much faster response and correlates much better with the quick front axle.
Po prvih kilometrih lahko Kiine težnje že pohvalimo. Prav tako tudi bogato opremljenost z asistenčnimi sistemi. Ceed ponuja drugo stopnjo avtonomne vožnje, zanimivo pa bo gledati kratkoročni razvoj družine Ceed. Sveža novica je Pro Ceed, po novem kot Shooting Brake, a tekmeci tega coupe karavana so večinoma neke druge karoserijske oblike.
Those consumers that are slightly more advanced and they want to have something different, they are seeing that nowadays everyone has an SUV.
Pa še to, Ceed in Pro Ceed je zdaj veliko lažje pravilno zapisati.
CEED, torej CEED pomeni Community of Europe, European Design, torej narejen v Evropski skupnosti in pa z evropskim dizajnom in se prodaja izključno na evropskem trgu.
Was difficult even for us to write sometimes the name of the car, to be honest, internally. The second reason is to make it easy for consumers. Even on Google search, when people were looking for CEED, the fact that we were not using the apostrophe was jeopardizing the search of the car.